Growing carrots is a simple and rewarding gardening experience. Here are the basic steps to grow carrots. Choose the right variety. There are many different varieties of carrots, so choose the one that's best suited for your growing conditions and intended use. Some varieties are better suited for growing in containers or in heavy soils. Planting. Carrots should be planted in loose, well-drained soil that is free from rocks and other debris. Sow the seeds about 1 4-inch deep and 2 inches apart. Space the rows about 18 inches apart. Soil. Carrots prefer a sandy loam soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, work some compost or well-rotted manure into the soil. Watering. Carrots need regular watering to grow properly. Water them deeply once a week and more frequently during hot, dry weather. Fertilizing. Carrots do not require heavy fertilization. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer once or twice during the growing season. Thinning. When the seedlings are about 2-3 inches tall, thin them out so they are spaced about 1-2 inches apart. This will allow room for the roots to develop properly. Weeding. Keep the area around your carrots free from weeds, as they can compete with the carrots for nutrients and water. Harvesting. Carrots are ready to harvest when they are about 1 inch in diameter, but can be left in the ground longer for larger carrots. Carefully dig up the carrots, being careful not to damage the roots. By following these steps, you should be able to grow a bountiful crop of carrots in your garden.